Hey, I am so excited you're joining me for 4 weeks for everybody. And I need to come and share a few things about this program with you because some of the moves are gonna be like, I can't do that, or maybe that's too easy for me. I'm gonna show you some tricks to fix it. If you watch a little bit, sometimes Autumn will show the modification. Sometimes she doesn't show it straight away. But to make it harder, lift heavier weights. Add a little bit of jumping if you need to, but like this is cardio following her program and I am sweating. So it is doing the job. But first thing, make sure you're pulling your workout up somewhere you can enjoy. I have my computer down here. Sometimes I pull it up on there, but this is my favorite place to do it. I use the Fire Stick. You can use Chromecast, Roku, Apple TV. Pull up that Beachbody On Demand app and then put it up there. Easiest way. You can possibly send it from your phone or your tablet or plug your computer into your TV, but computer works too. Just make it work for you. So a few of the modifications, sometimes I know at least one of you has issue with the floor. So use an elevated surface. Every time it's on the floor, the push-ups, for example, you can do on the back of a chair. You don't need to get to the floor. Use a bench or a table that's a little lower. Work your way down while you build up. For some of the moves where you're moving around a lot, doing lunges, if you have balance issues, grab a chair. Just do them. If you don't want to move, just hold stationary. Do how it works for you. Don't say, I can't do that. I can't do that. In week 2, there's a bear move where you're on your hands and your knees and you step through. If you watch it the second time they do it, she just does a bear move, which is on your hands and knees and you lift your knees up. But rather than kicking through, you just up and down, up and down. So watch the moves, don't get overwhelmed, and think how you can simplify it. Think how you can do it that will work for you. Don't focus on what you can't do, focus on what you can do, and dive in, push hard, and do your best. And try and work up a little bit of a sweat because that's gonna help you get the most results. Don't feel you need to do the 4 days a week if you're not ready for it. 4 days is really a great amount, and then mix in a nice couple of walks, things like that. But listen to your body and do what's good for you. I'll do a separate video talking about the nutrition, but this is kind of my takeaway from the workout. If you want to take it up, just lift heavier weights. I usually lift a little heavier than Autumn, and just push yourself, challenge yourself, and then take it lower the next time through. Most of the moves we do twice, not in a row. You do either 4 in a row and then repeat, or in cardio, you do the whole thing and then you repeat the whole thing. So I'm enjoying it. It's a good variety, good energy, and I'm feeling great.